All right, well, there she is in all her glory. You can see where I have started prepping and where she needs to be prepped. Doing a little paint prep while we wait for the shine juice to come in or our clear coat sealer. Not sure which way I'm gonna go, but I've got both options. So we're hand applicating some compound and we're trying to restore a little bit of life before we seal it in. All right, let me get this stuff over here. Just a little compound. I know a lot of people out there that like to just throw it on the buffing machine and go to town. I just prime my pad, I hand applicate it, apply it, applicate. I don't know what the words are. You guys are smarter than me. I just cook food for a living. And then start somewhere in the middle and work your way in. And that's how we do it. And then as soon as I apply it, I'll bring my little hand buffer.
I put them on, Dad.
All right, back again. So now that I've hand applicated it, we're gonna take the thingamabobber and do the whirly thing and hopefully bring some life back to this. Let's see what happens. Well, I will say for all of you guys out there, this is not as easy as it looks, as doing it one-handed. I see creators out there all the time. Nope, not easy to do it one-handed. All right, guys, so we put a little sweat equity, elbow grease, got right in on her, compounded it, washed it. I hope you guys can see the difference. Let me show you the other side, what I haven't done yet. Oh, there it is. Before and after, in the finest. All right, mini-me, come here. Let's do it. You gonna help me?
No. I just look like a frog.
You what?
A frog?
You look like a frog. Oh, don't touch that. Because that's holding the wheel, which is holding the boat.
I get up there.
You want to get up?
Yeah.
All right, you can be my helper.
I can.
Here we go. Another adventure. Never ends. Always something going on. Come here. Ready, set, fly! So after the day is over and everything is said and done, what do we have? Little bits of happiness. Possessions, they're great. Take it all away. Where are you? That's all I want.
You're not going to. That's all you want. Stop talking.
I love you, Jackson.
Yes, you don't want me.
I do, and I know you're grumpy, but that's okay.
I am grumpy.
Why are you grumpy?
Because I'm not.
Conversations with a 3-year-old. Outstanding. Come here, son. Tell me why you're frustrated.
Yeah.
What is so rough in your life? Come here. Tell us. Why are you so frustrated?
Because I'm not happy.
You're not happy?
Yeah.
Why?
Because
You gotta be happy.
I know.
It's just the little things in our life that make us happy,
No,
that lead to big things.
not big.
You're a big thing.
I'm not a big thing. I'm a tiny thing.
You're a tiny thing.
Yeah. I'm not a big thing. I'm a tiny thing.
Well, from big things to little things to tiny things. I hope everybody has a great weekend. 4th of July is coming up here in the United States. We're gonna see drones and fireworks. Hopefully gonna take this here boat right on the lake. Have a good time. That's the plan. Be well. There it is. A little hard work. Before, after. Before, after. Baby shark. No, before, after. Larson. Yep, we'll get to the other side tomorrow. Want this baby put down and gone to bed.